Hey y'all, so I am about to do a spark plug and engine coil replacement for a 2006 BMW X5, a 3.0. This is a 6-cylinder. So what we do is we start with, I'm going to show you a trick that my mechanic just showed me. Removal of the coil pack. So with the coil pack, all you do is flip this up, you unplug little triangular connector there, and then sometimes you have to do a little twist, and then you pull the old coil pack out. That's the old coil pack. You see how it's a little rusty dusty, okay? And then you want to take your ratchet. I have this is a 5/8 socket, and I have a few extensions on here so that I can get down in there. I'm going to stick that down in there securely, get it on top of that spark plug. The spark plug lives inside of there, and then you want to loosen. And it might be a little snug, so it might take a little elbow grease. Just start loosening it. I like to hold the top of the ratchet because it helps me kind of stabilize a little bit. But there it goes, starting to loosen up now. And it's just, you want to get those threads loosened up enough so that you can eventually take it out the rest of the way with your hand. So this is what happened to me, and this is the amazing trick that my mechanic showed me. Usually, there's a magnet inside of this, but usually that magnet will pull out that spark plug for you. However, my magnet is not doing that. So what I did is I separated this, and I'm gonna just hand loosen the spark plug the rest of the way. Okay, so spark plug is in there. She's free falling. She's just sitting in there, and I can't get it out. And I was like, oh my gosh, what do I do? Here's the trick. What you're gonna do is you're going to take your coil pack, and you're gonna place it in there, and you're gonna firmly set it on top of that spark plug, and you're gonna pull it out. Check that out, isn't that cool? So this spark plug looks crazy, it's dirty, it is definitely in need of replacement, and that's what we're gonna do. So what I do is I take the old one out of here. Look at that. Bye-bye. And I have a new spark plug. I'm using the Autolite copper spark plug for my car. I've been told it's the same thing. And then I put the new one in there, and I use the coil as a tool, and I just get those first few threads going. Okay, so now we got it in there, and voila, we have put that new spark plug in there. I'll take my ratchet extension, tighten it a bit more till I can't tighten it anymore. And the thing with replacing spark plugs, what I learned is that you don't have to like put it in there super tight. You just get it in there, get the threads connected like a screw, and then you're gonna just do a few twists just to get it firmly in there, but you don't want to overdo it. Like there, you don't have to super muscle this guy. So now that I have some resistance, I'm just gonna okay, we're in place. Now I have a brand new coil pack as well, because why not replace it all? So with the new coil pack, you're just gonna sit it in there. You're gonna press it firmly on top of that spark plug, and I mean firmly for mine, and then connect that little triangle socket thing, and then you're gonna snap that baby into place, and you are done. Okay, so I did the first 3. I'm gonna do the last 3 now. I hope this trick really works for you. Have a great one.